What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your NVIDIA cache and fix lag in-game. If you've been experiencing stuttering or lag while gaming, your shader cache could be the culprit. Clearing it out can give your system a fresh start and help stabilize your gameplay. Start by opening the NVIDIA control panel. To do this, right-click anywhere on your desktop. On Windows 11, you may need to select Show More Options and then click on NVIDIA Control Panel. Once it opens, go to the Manage 3D Settings section under Global Settings. Look for an option called Shader Cache Size. By default, it may be set to Driver Default. Change this to Disabled. Then scroll down and click Apply to save the change. Don't close the window, just minimize it for now. Next, you'll need to manually delete cached shader files from your system. Search for %local app data % in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the folder that opens, find and open the NVIDIA folder. Here, locate the folder named GL Cache and delete all of its contents. When this is done, go back to the File Explorer navigation bar and click on App Data. Then go into the local low folder and find the NVIDIA folder and open it. Here, delete everything in the DX Cache folder. These two steps will wipe out any lingering shader cache files created by OpenGL and DirectX applications. Now, search for Disk Cleanup in your Start menu search and hit Enter to launch the utility. Once it opens, uncheck all the boxes except for the one labeled DirectX Shader Cache. Then, click on Clean Up System Files. Depending on how much cache has been built up, this process may take a few seconds. Once all shader caches have been removed, go back to the NVIDIA control panel. Return to the Shader Cache Size option and switch it back to your preferred setting. This can be Driver Default, 10 GB, 100 GB, or any custom value your system supports. Don't forget to hit Apply again to save the changes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.